Hello guys, how's it going? Alex the Grandparent here. I hope you're well. Today I've got a quick video on the diagnostic tool that I've been requested. So this is the tool under 100 quid. There's a little catch here, so pay attention please to the video. So what we're going to be talking today is the THINKCAR from ThinkDiag. This is probably the most basic tool that they do. Obviously, like I said, the link will be in the description below, and if I can get discount codes I will put it there as well. So not going to do unboxing because literally all you get is just the dongle here. So you plug it into the car and obviously the light comes on, but you will need to have a phone or the tablet, hence why the tool is actually quite cheap, because you don't actually get the LCD display and all of that stuff. So you need a phone with internet connection or a tablet. You download the app, which is you got all on the back here anyway. So you get the app, register, you need to put the email in, but the catch with this tool is it's around £80, and what they do, obviously, anyway, on this website and where I got it from, is that you only get one manufacturer included, so you will have to select one. In my case, I'm going to select the Audi because that's what I'm going to be trying it on today. But don't get me wrong, that covers all the Audis, obviously. But yeah, you don't get the whole range unless you buy the packs that they sell. I'll show you today through my phone. Obviously, you got like a mall, you got a shop there that you can go into, register and buy the packs. And then you got obviously the updates as well. So yeah, if you want all the cars, you can still upgrade it, but it will cost you extra money, and I'll explain how much in a bit. But yeah, today I'm just going to show you quickly. I'm going to plug it in, obviously activate the tool to the Audi, plug it into my A3 or Q3 or whatever, and show you how quick it is doing a full scan and what special functions you can have on here, and just how it works, obviously. So if that's something you're interested in, tune in and let's get started. Right guys, so this is the app, ThinkDiag Plus, and obviously you got the manual and you have the serial number activation code here. Obviously that's your personal one, so don't share it with anyone. Once you download the app, you need to put your email on there, and you go into device and you press plus and you activate device. So you have to put obviously serial number in there, activation code. Once you type all of that in, you press activate, and obviously you get the email confirmation, everything else, and then you get the choice of selecting the manufacturer that you want to download and update the software for. Right guys, so just plugging your tool in there, the light will come on. You obviously will need to turn the ignition on and start the vehicle depending on what you're doing. So the tool is connected, the ignition is on, and all you do is go all system diagnostics. It gives you the steps what you need to do. So this has got VIN decoding there. Obviously, like I said, once you've been to the store, which you go into and bought whatever, this is the message you get. So one software for free. So once you bought it, like I said, I got the Audi there. So you just do the update, and then go on here. There's also packs that you can get. That will give you more than one. There's certain prices for it, and like I said, that's something that you definitely need to check before you're buying the tool. So you're just going to press VIN decoding. I'm going to start connecting to the unit. You might hear the beep like you heard now from the unit. Let me just connect into it. So just wait quickly till it does the VIN decoding. There you are, so it's all connected to it now. It starts opening next function. Like I say, you can download this to the tablet as well if you want a bigger screen. As long as you got access to Wi-Fi, you should be fine. So it's communicating to the unit, and here you got the options of the health report, system scan, system selection, special function. So this is where you can go straight to the service reset, brake pad change, the throttle relearning. So there's quite a few of them, but like I said, you need to check that in the store first. My option is unlocked. I haven't got just one. I got all access to all the softwares, all the manufacturers, and all the obviously special functions, so everything's unlocked. Now if you go to health report, this takes quite a while, as you might have seen my previous videos, because it's on the new cars you don't really need to do it that way. It does give you the full report, but if I want to scan the vehicle quickly, I just go to system scan and I go to can get away scanning, and it literally goes so quickly into it. It scans everything in no time at all. As you'll see now, look, that's already fully scanned. So it shows you all green basically, and the ones that has got a fault code, find fault code, and that one as well. But yeah, you got the whole thing. You want to clear the fault code, it's already all there. And then through here you can go into each unit. Obviously you get the report as well. But before I do all this, so obviously here you got all the module information, DTC, obviously we haven't got any. You got the report there, you got all the live data they can go into. So you just select them, press OK, and it gives you all the live data. Obviously for some of them you need to have the car running, but again, you can create report here, you can combine them, and you can record live data. So basically it records the time when you're driving the vehicle. I do like to show these functions because it's really handy to have this. So it saves it on your app and you can watch it later. The other thing I would say, you got the adaptations here as well, which is pretty good. So you got the adaptation of the injector values there as well, really good for coding the injectors. You got the access permission, this is something on the VAG group that you need the code for, long code, and online secure login as well, which is pretty handy. So this is to unlock some of the functions that you might have. So it's all there. Now, like I said, I'm going to show you when you're doing the health report, what it does. It basically shows you the vehicle and scans the whole vehicle, but it does take a while. I'm pretty sure it's about 50 seconds, but it depends on the car and the year of the car. But it goes through the whole vehicle, connecting to each and single ECU and creating your full report. So if you want a good health report, I would definitely recommend waiting for this to be done, and then you can save it. And obviously you can set up on this app your like workshop or your name, and you can create proper reports with your name on there, so you can give to the customer, obviously send the email or whatever. So that's definitely a handy feature to have. As you can see, you got the time obviously that it's taking to connect to it. So it's not too bad. Like I say, it will depend on your vehicle on how long it will take. So it just activated the radio because it's scanning it, so that's not an issue. That's all good. So going to turn itself off now. So as you can see, we're almost there. 50 seconds, 91% done. I think you're going to be just under a minute. Yeah, basically that took a minute. So there you go, report is there. So if you press report, you'll generate a report for it. So you just uploading the report. Like I said, I do advise having the Wi-Fi on all the time. You can add comments to it as well, obviously what you found. It gives you the mileage, the year of the vehicle, the VIN number, and look, it scanned everything, and you got all the information on there. Just press generate PDF, and then you got it all in PDF, so it gives you the faults that it has got there. And like I said, you can print this or send to your customer, so that's a very handy feature to have as well. And yeah, from here you go into each unit and you can go to brakes, electrics, you can get live data on each of your ABS sensors and all the common stuff that you usually do. So yeah, there's plenty to go through. Like I said, guys, you do need to make sure that you're aware that all the extra functions will cost you money. Like I said, when you buy the tool for £80, all you get is one manufacturer, and if that's what you're buying it for, then there's no issue at all. So you got the online functions, the special functions. Obviously this is the functions that you use, like to reset the oil service. It's all on there, auto reset, nice and easy. Especially for the Audis, you just select what service you've done, it will reset the service light, so really handy on that. You got the manual reset there as well. Throttle learning, brake pad change, this is for the electronic handbrake. To change your brake pads, so you just put it into prepare to replace the brake pad, and it releases the rear calipers, so you can obviously take them off and push them back in, and then you close it afterwards. Air suspension, obviously I haven't got it on this vehicle. Battery matching for new cars, they installed the new batteries. Steering angle to zero the steering. Headlight adjustment, anti-theft functions, DPF regenerations, transport mode, air fuel ratio, plenty of stuff on here. Tire pressure reset, coolant replacement for the hybrid vehicles or EV vehicles. Yeah, plenty of stuff going on here. Like I said, this is just a quick video today, and yeah, it beeps for you to disconnect obviously from the vehicle, so you don't forget to take your tool out. But yeah, so far brilliant stuff, really handy. Like I said, doesn't take any room at all. You just put it in your glove box and it's always there ready to go. Most of us already got a Wi-Fi on the phones anyway, so that's not an issue at all. And like I said, yeah, just make sure that you go into the store and get the right software for yourself, or just buy the whole pack. Like I said, please do check the prices. I'm not going to give the price now because they can change, so I don't want you after complaining that I gave you the wrong information. So please do double check all of this before buying the tool, obviously. Reports are all there. So this is the one I've done, so you just go into it and it gives you the report that is saved. Again, if you want to send it to the customer later, if you want to look at home for the fault codes, etc., it's all there. So that's nice and easy. History, this is all the vehicles you're connected to, and that was the maintenance functions that you can download. I only downloaded a few of them: the injector coating, oil service, the PMS. But all you have to do is literally just press download and it downloads it once you unlock the features and paid for it all. Right guys, this is pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, it's very compact. All you got is your phone that you usually have with you anyway, and literally just a dongle. If you want to get the extension cable, I do recommend getting it. It's only like £20, I think. So it will help, because for some vehicles, this is, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, this can be a bit tight going in because some of the plugs are a bit more kind of hidden, and the extension plug does help with that. But yeah, like I said, you literally just put it in a glove box, and that's pretty much it, and you're done. And it's really quick. The updates are all there, and I'll mention it again, so please do pay attention that the tool, for what you're buying it now, only comes with one manufacturer, and if you want to have more functions or more manufacturers, you need to buy them online. There you have to register, and there's a packs that you can buy to save yourself money. If you're going to be working on all of the cars, then you got certain packs that you can select and buy them, and then it unlocks all of them. So yeah guys, like I said, I hope you enjoyed the video, found it helpful. If you did, please do comment below, like the video and subscribe, and have a good day. Bye.